Welcome back, everyone. This is WasThe99. I'm CryptoGage, where every day we think like the 1% in crypto and finance in order to progress your journey in financial freedom. I would greatly appreciate it if you could like and subscribe, maybe even turn on the notifications, and I'd love to see you comment below on where you think Shiba Inu is going from here. I have no idea. I don't know what to think about it, but we're all here to learn and we're all here to do our own research. And I am here to provide you with some of the best news stories and crypto updates of the week in order for you to make more informed decisions. Now, in today's episode, we're gonna touch on the market, talk about a real-life Squid Game, Penn State accepting Bitcoin, and a Cardano stablecoin protocol that has an IDO tomorrow. Let's go. Before starting, I want to let you know, if you're in the market for a new crypto platform or finance application, make sure to check the links below. I would advise never signing up with a platform or an app without getting the referral reward. Remember, all of these crypto applications and finance platforms, they all have a customer acquisition cost. And if you leave the referral reward sitting on the table, you're walking away from money. You make it real easy for them when you don't use the referral code. Make sure you check out the links below before downloading any new apps. That being said, we're gonna jump into the markets right now. We are looking at $2.741 trillion market cap here, 24-hour trading volume of 134 billion, Bitcoin dominance at 43%, Ethereum at 19.7%, and your average Ethereum gas fee is 110 Gwei. We're gonna come down here, check out the performers of the day and of the week. We have Bitcoin at 62.4. It's up 5.6% over the 7-day. Market cap of 1.1 trillion. We have Ethereum, 4,500, sitting around 45.5, up 13% on the week. Binance Coin up 22% on the week. These are a lot of green numbers here at 558. Love that. Solana's still chugging along at 239, flipped Cardano, XRP, and Polkadot yesterday or 2 days ago. That's looking super bullish still, 25.5% on the 7 days, $72 billion market cap, $240. Solana happens to be one of the top coins that I slept on during this last bear market. Little regretful, but that's okay. I have plenty of other coins. We got Cardano sitting at $2 still, up 4.5% on the week. XRP, 20% up on the week at $1.20. I've been buying the dip 90 cents to $1.05. I'll buy XRP, but it hasn't came down in about a week. Polkadot up 30% as well. 6% for the day, sitting at $53. Dogecoin, 26 cents, 4% on the week. Shiba down 19% on the week, 15 over 24 hours. Of course, it's gonna have a retracement, it's gonna have a pullback. All these green candles leads to a red candle at some point. You can't have a weak run up without having some type of a retracement or a red day or a correction here. Terra Luna, another coin that I slept on, just completely missed it. 7 days up 19%, sitting around $48. Avalanche, I did grab Avalanche, quite a bit of it. Up 25% on the week, 11% over 24 hours, sitting at $78. The overall market is up about dead even. So you're at about a 0% increase over the last day. It's just trading sideways a little bit. We're gonna get into our first story here. Penn State accepting Bitcoin payments for Wharton School of Business. Students can fork over the $3,800 in Bitcoin or US dollar. The University of Pennsylvania Wharton School of Business will accept cryptocurrency as tuition for its online blockchain and digital assets program. I'm sure that this is like a beta test. They're just rolling it out. They're testing the waters, seeing how this goes first, and then if it takes off, I think most schools will be accepting tuition in cryptocurrency soon. Wharton will use Coinbase Global, the largest US cryptocurrency exchange, to accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, and US dollar to cover the $3,800 tuition to their crypto and blockchain course. Wharton does not have any other plans to accept crypto beyond this program. If it goes well, I bet they will change their mind on that. That was just a quick story in education. Now coming over here, we have a real-life Squid Game, at least without the murdering. Investors call scam after collapse of new cryptocurrency, Squid. The coin that tried to capitalize on the popularity of the Netflix show Squid Game has turned into a warning for an industry that has enjoyed major booms and devastating busts. Here's a quick clip.
The digital currency called Squid was launched in late October and it quickly skyrocketed in price, reaching more than $2,860 per token Monday morning before losing all of its value after the project's unknown creators appeared to cash out Squid tokens worth more than $3 million. This sounds like a show itself. You spoke with some investors who basically lost everything in a matter of minutes. What did they tell you?
Yeah, that's right. I spoke to one person who invested $1,000 and lost it all during the collapse. He says while he knew there were risks, he was shocked. Meanwhile, another was angry. He told me it paints a bad picture of cryptocurrency and it's sad for all the legitimate projects out there.
That's true.
So what protections do those investors have here? Will they get any of their money back?
In short, there's not a lot that investors can do. It's not clear who was behind the project, let alone who withdrew the money. And it's an industry that's not regulated in the same way that banks are. So we're seeing this happen more and more, and experts tell me this is yet another example that crypto is increasingly becoming a hotbed for criminals and fraudsters.
Wow, sounded like a 2010, 2011, 2012 narrative of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies only for money launderers and drug dealers and crimes and scamming. Since then, the project's website, squidgame.cash, has vanished and its social media profiles have gone dark. Gone. Many investors who spoke to NBC News have accepted they'll never see their money again. Some are calling it a scam. But a number of clues on Squid's website suggest the project was not at all as it appeared to be. The token's white paper, a document that outlines the project to the investors, was riddled with spelling errors, and the website made unfounded claims that it had partnered with Netflix and Microsoft. Now guys, the people behind the Squid Game rug pull scam that took out all of their money and shut off every avenue to contact or trade the cryptocurrency, the guys behind this, the creators behind it, are going to do it again, and I bet this isn't the first time they've done it. To coordinate something like this, it could take one person, 1 to 2 to 3, maybe 5 people, a small team to make a blockchain in a crappy website and type up a fake white paper that means nothing, and then put on a website, we are partnered with Netflix and Microsoft, you can trust us. This is gonna happen more and more. The guys behind the Squid Game rug pull will do it again. They can attach the same exact template that they made for the Squid Game rug pull crap shitcoin. They can do the exact same thing to any of the next topics coming up or news stories or any show or reference. I thought it was more of a meme currency, meme crypto when I heard about it last week. And I said it's too topical and too risky for me to get into because it's one show, it's too recent. Let it play out a little bit. Again, a warning to just be careful. If there are spelling errors, if the connections or the partnerships aren't real after you do some of the research, leave, get away. That's not a good sign. Red flags everywhere. So please just do a little bit of research, DYOR, all the time as much as you can. I do research hours a day, and sometimes I get confused on if some of these projects are backed by real people or if the project that's just launched this week or yesterday is legitimate. So keep that in the back of your mind. This is gonna happen more and more frequent. Although the Squid Game token, check this out, I don't even know where it gets traded. Now, if we go over to CoinMarketCap, right here, it even says, we have received multiple reports that the website and social media are no longer functional and the users are not able to sell this token in PancakeSwap, one of my favorite Binance Smart Chain protocols. There is growing evidence that this project has been rug pulled. Sorry. Please do your own due diligence and exercise extreme caution. This project, while clearly inspired by the Netflix show of the same name, is not affiliated with it. But look at this chart, 7-day chart. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Check it out. Price trading at 9 cents, 10 cents, $2, $3, $4, $5, $11, $13, $33, $40. People are getting so excited right now. Oh, 180, oh, 300, 500. If I saw this, I would have gotten out at probably around 500. $600 peaked at $2,800, and then in 5 minutes from 2:35 a.m. to 2:50, $0. 3 days after it going to $0, it's back up again. I think it's because of all the attention. I don't even know where they're trading it right now. It's up to 4, 5, 7, 14, 15, but it's sitting around 12.5 cents, up 2,100% since it bottomed out and did the rug pull. Squid Game token is a scam, and it's up 2,000%. That'll eventually go back down to 0 and plummet over time. So don't invest, it's just news. VeChain, one of my top holdings, VeChain's DEX to launch governance token and yield farming program. Woof, this is bullish. I love this news. The VeChain ecosystem is expanding at a fast pace. Their first decentralized exchange DEX and automated market maker AMM called Vex, which is, I assume, VeChain and DEX, will launch their governance token with the same ticker next week, November 9th. Keep an eye out for that. Vex is coming. In addition, the team behind the DEX announced that they will roll out a yield farming program to be deployed at the same time as their governance token. The yield farming program for the Vex VET pair could offer users new opportunity to maximize their rewards. The launch of the Vex governance token, as the team behind VeChain DEX said, is part of the next step to becoming a fully decentralized platform. The idea behind the token allocation is to get the majority of the initial tokens in community members' hands and let them circulate in preparation for the governance module. This is super exciting. I've been waiting for something a little bit bigger to come out of VeChain's ecosystem as it trades around 13 cents right now. I've been buying the dip with VeChain, chainlink, polygon, Polkadot. This is something that'll push adoption for VeChain. Expect new money to be coming into the VeChain ecosystem in order to take advantage of the yield farming coming up. So that is super bullish on VeChain. I'm going to finish up with a Cardano story. Cardano's stablecoin protocol, Ardana, raises $10 million in latest funding round, which means private equity investors appear to be very bullish on this stablecoin platform. Short story, we're going to scroll down right here. Ardana, built on the Cardano blockchain, received $10 million in seed capital from the group of investors led by C Fund, 3 Arrows, and Ascensive Assets. Ryan Matavu, CEO and co-founder of Ardana, issued the following statement regarding the deal. As the first all-in-one stablecoin ecosystem built on Cardano, our platform provides users with convenient access to liquidity, an ever-present concern in the hyper-competitive DeFi world. We are also able to leverage Cardano's speed, scalability, and security to offer a decentralized financial solution that works for everyone. And soon we'll even be facilitating foreign exchange on-chain. This is great news. I love some of the projects coming up on Avalanche and Polygon and Cardano. So users can send, receive, store, borrow, and lend the stablecoin known as DUSD freely on the network. It will have a one-to-one exchange rate with the US dollar and will be fully collateralized with cryptocurrencies such as Cardano. I think it sounds super bullish. I've been checking it out, ardana.org, mint, trade, stake, and store of value. First all-in-one stablecoin ecosystem built on Cardano, which will bring the necessary DeFi primitives needed to bootstrap and maintain any economy to Cardano. DanaSwap, an AMM decentralized exchange for stable multi-asset pools. DanaSwap is highly capital efficient, enabling swaps with minimal slippage while providing low-risk yield opportunities for liquidity providers. Now what I saw, if I come down here a little bit, look at these investors. 3 Arrow Capitals, C Fund, Kronos, Morningstar, David Post, and then their partners, Liquid, Elron, Cody. This looks great. Super excited about Ardana. Come over to the market cap here. We have an IDO coming up November 4th. Starts in 6 hours. I'm gonna look at trying to grab some Ardana in the morning. Pretty short episode, some interesting stories. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications. And don't forget to leave that comment of where you think Shiba Inu coin is going from here. I don't know, is it going up or down? Check out WasThe99.com, use the code CryptoGage, and you can find all the best crypto swag and designs on the planet. Thank you. Peace.